Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do? Y'all already know what it do, man. We made it to this first stop out here, Green Hills. I guess this what this would be. Right now we doing this Chevy Tahoe. We already knocked out the interior of the car. It's pretty cold out here, but if you look at the exterior of the car, it's pretty dirty. Heavy dirt on the brakes, on the wheels. Heavy dirt down the side of the car. Door jambs pretty dirty, but we're gonna get in here, run the board a little dirty. So we're gonna make sure that we go ahead and get it cracking. Like I said, we already did the interior of the car. We got it looking good in here, so give y'all a quick glimpse of it. But about to go ahead and finish the exterior real quick, knock that out, and y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, man. And I tell y'all, when you take pride in whatever you're doing, the job is nothing. Excuse me, the camera doing that crazy lightning crap. I hate when they do that. But right now, like I said, we about to work on the exterior of this car. We already got all the equipment out, stuff like that. Got these mats we need to spray down, things of that nature. But we only got 1, 2, 3 more cars for the day, and we done. Supposed to drop down to 20-something degrees tonight. That's gonna be tremendously close. So we gotta make sure we wrap up the pressure washer and things like that well, and get ready for the markers. It's definitely gonna be a breezy one. But y'all already know, man, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so you can do what you gotta do, man. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, things like that. The sun is out.
It would turn into sunshine.
And y'all already know, but on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, detail world. We finally got this first car done today. It actually took us 2 hours to get the car completely done, but y'all already know what I tell y'all. We take so much pride in the work we do, so we try to make sure that we doing the job correctly. And then he got all this orange stuff on this car. I'm not 100% sure what that is. And to get this stuff off, it's gonna take me about another hour or so. So I don't know what to tell him. I'm having to come out and look at the car, things like that. But the interior of the car looks well, the exterior of the car looks good. And I'm finna head to the next stop, man, because I'm already running behind. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We made it to the second appointment right now. We doing this Mercedes-Benz. We already washed the exterior of the car, but we about to go ahead and work on the interior. We're gonna let this thing air dry for a while. By the time we done doing the interior, it'll probably still be wet because it's only 40 degrees right now. High is not really gonna be high in the day, but you see it, man. Car is riddled with dog hair, man. This dog hair just everywhere, man. But we about to go ahead and get it cracking. Hurry up and get it done. Head to our next stop, man. We still got 2 more cars built for the day. And y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in the work we do, man. So when you take pride in what you do, it ain't even a job. But y'all already see this gonna be a job. We gotta get this dog hair up. We already got the vacuum out, things like that. But I'm about to go ahead and start. Y'all already know, man. Do what y'all gotta do, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do? Y'all already know what it do, man. We finally got this Mercedes-Benz done, man. Got the car looking immaculate in and out. We still got 2 more cars to do for the day, so we about to get ready and head over there. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in the work we do over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So if you take pride in whatever you got going on, man, just remember, man, whatever you're doing, you got to put your 110% in. Like my man Deadpool say, maximum effort. But I'm going to go ahead and head to the next stop, and I'm going to catch you in a minute. Detail world, what it do, man. We still working on this Chevy Tahoe. Right now we working on the exterior. We already got the interior completely clean. Right now I'm about to go ahead and wash off this exterior and dry it off. And y'all already know. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally got this Tahoe. This Chevy Suburban completely done. If you see the sun, it's going down over the horizon. So we trying to hurry up, get to this last stop. Still got 1 more car to do. But we're finna hurry to get there, probably about 10 minutes from exactly where we at. But like always, I try to tell y'all, man, stay committed, stay blah, blah. Y'all already know the script, man. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick glimpse of the interior. I'm not sure if I showed y'all the interior, but it looks good in here. Wiped down. It was dog hair, stuff just everywhere. But y'all already know, like I tell y'all, we take extreme pride. And we definitely try to go to extreme measures to make sure people's cars are up to par. But about to go ahead and, well, I don't need to park it because it's where it's at. But on that note, y'all stay great. I'm gonna stay great, and we're gonna be great together. And I'm gonna catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. My kids didn't mess up my microphone. They knocked it off the stand, so I definitely gotta go home and glue this back on. This will be the second time this ever happened because I had a Rode mic that did the same thing before. But we got this Ford Ranger 100 completely done. Really wasn't that bad. It just, you know, had to wax it and stuff like that. But I'm finna let them know we done. Come out, we can look at the car. We probably about 30 minutes from the crib, so I'm gonna stop at the grocery store, grab some stuff for tacos and things of that nature. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in the work we do at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. Remember, do what you gotta do. And on that note, like always, one love, love thyself, because you can't love nobody. Like I always tell y'all, without loving yourself. And like always, man, we're gonna need a little bit of peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.